Is becoming a footballer your dream? If you're like millions of young people dreaming of running on green fields and receiving applause in stadiums, this video is for you. Today we'll discuss the steps you need to take on the path to becoming a professional footballer. First step, start early. Most professional footballers begin their careers at ages 5 to 7. Join local clubs and football schools. But remember, starting late isn't impossible. It just requires more effort. Learn the fundamental skills: ball control, passing, shooting, and dribbling. These skills are the alphabet of football. Second step, be disciplined. Train at least 4 to 5 days a week. Not just team training, work on your own too. Improve your conditioning. Do strength exercises. Stars like Ronaldo and Messi owe their success not to natural talent, but to endless hard work. Watch your nutrition. Get enough sleep. Your body is your tool. Third step, be in the right environment. Apply to football academies. Joining youth development teams at a young age is critically important. Participate in tournaments and tryouts. Show yourself. Build good relationships with coaches. They are the key to your development. Record videos and share them on social media. In the modern age, this is one way to get discovered. Fourth step, be mentally strong. You will face failures. You'll be rejected. You'll suffer injuries. These are part of the journey. Don't give up. Learn from every mistake. Be open to criticism, but never stop believing in yourself. Football isn't just a physical game, it's a mental battle. Remember, becoming a professional footballer is a difficult and competitive path. But with passion, discipline, and hard work, it's not impossible. Chase your dreams. See every day as an opportunity. Good luck.